If your PS4 keeps booting into safe mode over and over, don't worry, here is how to fix it. First, completely power it off by holding the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Unplug the power cable for a full minute, then plug it back in and try turning it on normally. Sometimes it's just a simple power reset. If that doesn't work, go back into safe mode by holding the power button until the second beep. From the menu, try option 3. Restore default settings. This won't delete your games, just reset system settings. Still stuck? The next step is option 5. Rebuild database. This basically cleans up the PS4 file system and often gets rid of the loop. Now, if nothing works, you'll need to reinstall the system software. Download the latest PS4 update from Sony's website onto a USB stick, then choose option 7, initialize PS4 reinstall system software. That one does wipe the console, so back up your saves if possible. 9 times out of 10, a database rebuild or fresh reinstall fixes the save mode loop. And after that, your PS4 should boot up normally again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.